This is example 3. And again, if you substitute x equals 0, what do you get? Or sorry, we're taking the limit as x approaches 1. So if I put 1 in for x, the numerator is 0. What do you get in the denominator if you substitute x equals 1? 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1, it's 0. So we get that indeterminate form. Okay. So we have to factor. And we don't get many problems like this to factor. There are some books that actually, when you're in Algebra 2, maybe even Algebra 1, they do this a little more often. They would say that if you have 4 terms, think about grouping. So we have 4 terms. So let's group the first 2 terms and group the last 2 terms. And then we do greatest common factor factoring on each one of those. So this is the limit as x approaches 1 of x minus 1. Got to let the pen catch up. Oh, that actually didn't work out bad. X minus 1. Now notice what goes on here, right? What's in common between x to the third minus x squared? X squared, right? And if I factor x squared, I have x minus 1 plus x minus 1. So you can factor x minus 1 out of both of those. And what's left is x squared plus 1. Okay, now you recognize that there is a common factor, x minus 1. So you cancel it. So this is the limit as x approaches 1 of 1 over x squared plus 1. Okay, now try direct substitution. Is it defined? Sure. Equals 1 over 1 squared plus 1, which is 1/2. So the limit is 1/2.